For this procedure you'll need 1 inch, 3/4 inch, half inch, and 1/4 inch tape. If you do not have the 3/4 inch tape, you can use the half inch and the 1/4 inch to make up the 3/4 inch tape. However, we do recommend that you get the 3/4 inch tape. You'll start by taking your 2 inch by 3 inch pieces of Dacron and folding those directly in half. Here I am lining both edges up against the side of the table, so I know that I folded directly in half. I will then start the crease by running my thumb over it and taking a burnishing tool and continuing the crease to make sure I get a nice crisp edge. And we'll do this for both pieces. We'll now take our 20.5 by 2 1/4 inch pieces and we'll fold those directly in half. Because of the length of these, it is difficult to use the edge of the table, so here we just start in the center, fold a piece in half, press it down with a thumb, and finish the crease with a burnishing tool. From there we work our way out to the edges from the center in both directions. Shown here is only one of the 2 pieces that will need to be folded. Next we'll take our 20 inch by 1.5 inch piece and we'll fold that directly in half as we did with the previous piece. Again, shown here is only one of the 2 pieces you will need to fold.